10 Easy to Care for Plants Even Beginners Can Keep Alive. Are you looking to add some greenery to your living space, but aren't sure where to start? Indoor plants are a great way to add life and color to your home, while purifying the air and reducing stress levels. If you're new to plant care, don't worry. Anyone can become a green thumb with a little knowledge and patience. In this guide, we'll go through the top 10 easy to care for indoor plants for beginners, so you can have a thriving indoor garden in no time. Top 10 easy to care for indoor plants. Let's dive straight into the 10 easiest to care for houseplants to get you started on your indoor gardening journey. 1. Snake plant. If you're looking for a plant that's practically indestructible, the snake plant is your best bet. It's a hardy plant that can survive in a wide range of conditions, including low light and infrequent watering. It's also known for its air purify qualities, making it a great choice for any room in the house. When caring for a snake plant, be sure to let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which can be fatal for the plant. Snake plants also prefer indirect sunlight, so they're a great choice for areas that don't get a lot of natural light. 2. Spider plant. Another great choice for beginners is the spider plant. It's known for its long, spindly leaves that cascade down from the plant like spider legs. Spider plants are also very hardy and can tolerate a range of conditions, including low light and infrequent watering. One of the benefits of spider plants is that they produce pups or baby plants that can be propagated easily. This means you can create a whole family of spider plants from just one original plant. When caring for a spider plant, be sure to keep the soil slightly moist and avoid direct sunlight. 3. Pothos. If you're looking for a plant that's easy to care for and also visually striking, the pothos is a great choice. It has long, trailing vines that can grow up to 10 feet in length, making it a great choice for hanging baskets or for placing on a high shelf. Pothos plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they can also tolerate low light conditions. If you're looking for a plant that's easy to care for and also visually striking, the pothos is a great choice. It has long, trailing vines that can grow up to 10 feet in length, making it a great choice for hanging baskets or for placing on a high shelf. Pothos plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they can also tolerate low light conditions. 4. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is another great choice for beginners, as it can survive in low light and with infrequent watering. It has glossy, dark green leaves that add a touch of elegance to any room. One of the benefits of the ZZ plant is that it's very drought tolerant, meaning it can go long periods without water. In fact, it's better to underwater this plant than to overwater it, as too much water can lead to root rot. 5. Peace lily. The peace lily is a classic indoor plant that's known for its white, lily-like flowers. It's also very easy to care for, making it a great choice for beginners. Peace lily prefer bright, indirect light, but they can also tolerate low light conditions. They also like to be kept slightly moist, so be sure to water them regularly. One thing to note is that the peace lily is toxic to pets, so if you have furry friends, you may want to choose a different plant. 6. Chinese evergreen. If you're looking for a plant that's low maintenance and visually stunning, the Chinese evergreen is a great choice. It has variegated leaves that come in a range of colors, from silver to dark green. Chinese evergreens prefer low to medium light conditions, and they like to be kept slightly moist. However, they can also tolerate drought, so if you forget to water them for a few days, they'll likely bounce back without any issues. 7. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a popular indoor plant that's known for its large, shiny leaves. It's also very easy to care for, making it a great choice for beginners. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light, but they can also tolerate low light conditions. They like to be kept slightly moist, so be sure to water them regularly. It's important to be aware that rubber plants can be harmful to pets. If you have furry friends, it might be a good idea to opt for a different type of plant. 8. Aloe vera. Not only is aloe vera a beautiful plant, but it also has a host of health benefits. The gel inside the leaves can be used to treat burns and cuts, making it a great addition to any home first aid kit. If you're caring for an aloe vera plant, it's important to provide it with bright, indirect light and keep the soil slightly moist. Luckily, aloe vera plants are also known for their ability to withstand drought, so even if you forget to water them for a few days, they should recover with ease. 9. Philodendron. They're known for their large, glossy leaves, which can be heart-shaped or elongated. For optimal growth, philodendrons thrive in bright, indirect light, but they can still survive in low-light environments. Water them regularly as they prefer slightly moist soil. However, it's important to note that certain types of philodendrons can be harmful to pets. If you have furry companions, consider selecting a different plant. 10. Jade plant. Jade plants are one of the easiest indoor plants to care for, known for their attractive, glossy green leaves. They thrive in bright, indirect light and can tolerate a range of temperatures. Jade plants prefer to be watered thoroughly, but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to let the soil dry out between watering. Jade plants are also easy to propagate, making them an excellent choice for beginner plant owners. With a little care and attention, your jade plant can thrive for years to come. Consider getting a jade plant for an easy-to-care-for, beautiful addition to any living space that may bring a little bit of luck and prosperity. Conclusion: there are plenty of easy-to-care-for indoor plants that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking for a plant that's low maintenance or visually striking, there's something for everyone. Just be sure to choose a plant that suits your living space and your lifestyle, and you'll be on your way to becoming a green thumb in no time.